Hi all my crafty friends. Today we're going to have a little fun creating some magical reindeer food. These little containers look cute on a tiara tray and make great Christmas Eve gifts for the kids. This magical reindeer food is made using birdseed, oatmeal, and cake sprinkles. So it's environmentally friendly and safe for the reindeer to eat. The first thing we need to do is mix the magical reindeer feed together in a bowl. I added the birdseed first. Next I added the sprinkles. Then I added 1 pack of instant oatmeal. I used a spoon and mixed everything together. I added more sprinkles and mixed them into the reindeer food. This mixture is safe for birds, squirrels, and reindeer to eat, but not recommended for human consumption because it is magical. I used 2 different size containers to show you how they would look. I got the first container at Michael's in the wedding section. I thought they would be great for this project. They are large enough to put a vinyl decal on. I spooned the reindeer feed into each of the containers, filling them up. The second container I got at Dollar Tree. It is small, but I just couldn't resist trying this for some of the smaller kids in my family. It was harder to get the reindeer feed into these smaller containers, but it was still possible. I added a vinyl cutout from design bundles to the larger container. I'll leave a link in the description for the bundle I used. It was less than $20 for over 250 cut files. But you don't have to put anything on the container, or you can come up with your own idea to decorate them. I added some red and white baker's twine I got from the Dollar Tree to the first container. I also tied a little bell on the side and glued some Christmas greenery and berries to the top. I was able to find a couple of reindeer faces in the bundle I had purchased for the smaller containers. Using my Cricut, I was able to cut them down small enough to fit on both of the medium-sized containers from Dollar Tree. I simply decorated them with some burlap and ribbon. I think the magical reindeer food turned out great, and I can't wait to give it to my nieces and nephews this Christmas Eve with a little note from Santa. And this is what all the containers look like on my Christmas tiara tray. I think they're adorable. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIYs, and you know you don't want to miss any of those. To be notified when I upload a video, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.